Welcome back to my channel. It's Alice Walker here from AliceWalker.London. How are you guys today? I hope you're doing absolutely fantastic. Today I have come to you with my skincare routine, recent skincare routine. About a couple of weeks back, I uploaded an unboxing video from a company called Lavie Labs. This company is located in Israel and they deal mainly in skincare products and anti-aging product for mature skin and other skin as well. The company approached me to do a review for them on their skincare products. So they sent me a whole range of their skincare products and I've been using it for the past 2.5 weeks now. So now I feel like I'm ready to give you my honest review and my honest opinion on those products. Before we get into the review, first of all, I'm going to show you how I use the product as part of my skincare routine. Since I received these products, I've been using it religiously. As a woman of a certain age, I believe that anti-aging cream is a necessity in your skincare. But do you need an anti-aging product? Absolutely, we all need anti-aging product in our skincare routine. First of all, I'm gonna test it out for you guys and show you how I've been using it every single day, and then after that I'm gonna give you my opinion and my honest review on these products. I'm using my phone today because my camera, for some reason, the battery is going crazy on me, so I'm using my phone at the moment. I'm hoping that the quality is equally good. You know, it's summertime, we all need to look good. We need our lashes. I've got my lashes on. It's gonna be coming out soon. Maybe next week I'm gonna take it out. And I've also tinted my eyebrow, the tattoo eyebrow. If you want to know what I used, I'm going to show you. This is what I've used to tint my eyebrow here, and this is how it looks like, and it lasts up to 3 days. Let's get on with it, guys. I'm gonna read here what this company does. The company is called Lavie Labs. So they deal with daily skincare products. Their products are eco-friendly. They are 100% tested. They're dermatologist recommended, cruelty-free, natural-based, health and safety ingredients, and it's fit for all skin type. This sounds really good for me. This sounds good. This has been my skincare routine for the past 2.5 weeks, and even after this review, I'm still going to continue using this product because it has done really good for my skin so far. This one is a Velvet Micro-Exfoliating Cream. Cleanses pores and polishes away dead skin. This is how the box looks like. This is what I use to scrub my face to get rid of all dead skin and all the dead cells on my face. So I'm gonna use my face cleaner. I normally use like a warm water on my face. So this is what I do. Then I put it there just to open my pores. say, as you can tell, my face is looking very glowy. It's looking a healthy glow actually. So now I'm going to give you my review of what I think of these products. First of all, we're going to talk about the scrub, the Velvet Micro-Exfoliating Cream. It says it cleanses pores and polishes away dead cells. When it comes to the packaging, it's absolutely beautiful. I love the packaging, black and white. You can't go wrong with black and white really. So the packaging is very nice, and when it came, it was wrapped really nicely for me as well, which I really loved. So when it comes to the packaging, it's just A1. On the box, it's got like a direction as to how to use the product, and it also gives you a warning there, and then it gives you all the ingredients, what's inside this product, which is very good, and it tells you where it's made from. So it's made in Israel, it says there. It has the manufacturer's address and everything on there, in the website and everything on there as well, which is absolutely perfect. 50 ml. What I really loved and I thought was really cute was the fact that it comes with a little scoop, like a spoon, which is so cute. And this is the actual cream. This is how the actual cream looks like when you open it. Okay. This is it. I'll come really close to the camera. This is it. It goes. Apply morning or evening after cleansing and before moisturizing. Gently smooth over face and neck with light circular motion, avoiding the eye area. Massage for 45 to 60 seconds and rinse thoroughly after. Follow up with multi-active Lavie Hydrolift moisturizer. I must say I really like this because I do not have sensitive skin at all. My skin can take just about anything. I've abused my skin so many times. I'm even surprised it's still standing. All these are all anti-aging for mature skin and for any skin really. Do we need anti-aging products? Yes, we do. When you start your skincare routine, anti-aging is very important. Just incorporate that into your skincare routine from get-go, and you will see a lot of improvement. It will save you from getting wrinkles. So I think it's very necessary, and especially a woman of a certain age as well, you need to incorporate that in your skincare routine. So let me just get that out of the way. When it comes to wrinkles, I'm not gonna lie, I don't have that many. It's the texture of my skin. When I used this one at first, I like the sensation. It has a really nice scent to it, but it's not overpowering at all, which I like, because I mostly do not like scented products on my skin. I do really like that. And also, when you scrub your face after you finish, your face feels really smooth. My face felt really smooth, and when I looked at it, I felt like the texture of my skin, even the day one, it changed a little bit. It doesn't feel too harsh on your skin. It didn't feel hard on my skin, even though it has some grains in there. And even to this day, I can see that my skin texture has improved as well from using the scrub. Overall, I like this very much, and I like the fact that it comes with a scoop as well. So for example, if you have a long nails like I do right now, you do not want to be dipping your fingers inside. It gives you a spoon that you can just use to scoop it up and just massage your face with it. So yeah, so this one is a yes for me. It's a thumbs up for me. Now we're gonna go to the eye cream. There's not much I don't like about this eye cream. This eye cream is actually really nice. I really love it. First of all, I love how hydrating it is. It's very hydrating, it's very moisturizing, and I do like that. It doesn't feel sticky on your skin. It's very light. You don't need that much actually to apply under your eye area. You only need 1 or 2 pumps. 1 pump on each eye, and just use it. And most of the time I use it on this side, my smile lines as well, and it's very soothing when you put it on your face. It feels really nice on the skin. It doesn't feel tacky, so I really do like that. I'm going to tell you what this one does. So this one is the Lumia, I forgot to tell you, is the Lumia multi-dimensional platinum eye serum. Diminishes the appearance of under eye puffiness, dark circle and fine lines. Yeah, I noticed that when I wake up in the morning and I do my face, I have a bath and I wash my face and everything, and I use it. She makes it look very fresh. Like I said, I do not have that many wrinkles, so I can't talk about that one. But when it comes to the puffiness, yes, it does work. It does exactly what it says. It reduces the puffiness. How to use the eye serum. Apply 1 drop of Lumia eye serum morning and evening after cleansing and before moisturizing. Gently massage the serum to eye areas, expression lines. Continue massage the serum to your eye expression lines. Continue massaging until absorbed. So this is how this is used, and for me this is a yes as well. Okay, now let's go to what I think about this one, the Oulala. My unboxing video, I called it Oulala, but I just found out that it's called Oulala. I found that it's called Oulala. So pardon me if I got it wrong the first time. Yeah, so this is the Oulala Platinum Rare Booster Serum. Now this one I love. Again, it gives you all the ingredients on the box and it tells you how to apply this product. Oulala Face and Neck Booster Serum. So it's a retinol and vitamin C fusion, rapid response skin fortifying and illuminating solution. This is it, and it says how to apply. Apply booster serum in the evening after cleansing and before moisturizing. Gently smooth 2 to 4 drops over face with upward sweeping motion, avoiding eye contact and eyelids. Recommended to follow with moisturizer and SPF sunscreen during the day. Do not forget your sunscreen, guys. It's very important. After you finish your skincare routine, sunscreen is very important. Apply that on your skin. Guys, I'm gonna read to you what this one does. It's suitable for dry, normal, and combination skin. So it's suitable for all skin types. It's unlikely to cause any reaction or breakout causing symptoms. Oulala is not recommended for oily skin type. They're saying that this one is not recommended for oily skin type. I do have oily skin, so this one, I do not use it every single day. I use it once or twice every week. Remember, that is very important because I've got oily skin. I'm prone to breakout, so I do not use this every single day. Gently exfoliates the outer layer of the skin to optimize product penetration, then brightens and even out the skin tone by the prevention of melanin production in darker spots. Results can be seen within 2 to 4 weeks. We all know that vitamin C is good. Anything with retinol or vitamin C in there, it's for me. I love it. I love it. I love it. And yeah, I love the smell. It's got this lemon scent to it, like a lemongrass scent to it, which I do love. The smell is not overpowering at all. Like I said, I do not like fragrances. I do not like smells in my skincare product, but this one is okay. It's bearable. It's not sticky at all. It is hydrating. It feels very smooth. It feels very light on your skin, and that is what I like about this product. And since I've been using it, I feel like, yeah, my skin is much clearer as well. My skin is looking a little bit more one-toned. So now we're gonna go to the last product that was sent to me, which is this one here, the Matinika Luxe Age Defining Formula Revitalizing Cream for visually lifted and firmer skin. Again, it has all the ingredients on the box. It tells you how to apply this product. The inside of the product, I'm gonna bring it closer. It's very silky, very smooth, and the smell, it has a scent to it as well. Like I said, I do not like my product with smells in it, but this one is not too overpowering. Avoiding eye and eyelid areas. Recommended to use daily in combination with a sun protection cream. Sun cream, again, is very important. This one is actually really good. I'm going to tell you what it does. It reduces wrinkle depth within days, firms and lifts skin, creates a brighter complexion, and suitable for all skin type. This cream feels very silky. It feels very smooth when you put it on your face. I feel like my skin feels a lot more firmer than I started. Like I said, I do not have that many wrinkles anyway, but when it comes to the firmness, I can feel a lot of firmness on my skin, and also I can feel that my skin looks much fresher than it did before, and the texture of my skin has improved slightly as well. So yeah, I am really loving this product. Will I recommend this product? Of course I will recommend this product. The other thing I did not like about this is the labels. After a while, these labels keep coming off, and then sometimes when I'm putting it on my face, I can see some gold things, especially from the eye serum, which the gold things on the skin is coming off as well. So when I'm using it, it just comes out and it just mixes it on my fingers, which is quite annoying. So these are what I don't like about this product, the logos, and this one as well. The gold things on the lid keeps coming and it keeps mixing in the cream that I'm putting on my face. Like, the shipping was absolutely quick. Because it was sent to me, the shipping was very good. It was very short. I got it within days, like 2 days or 3 days after I was told they were going to ship it to me. But I don't know how it's going to be like for somebody purchasing it. This is the end of my review. I'm going to continue using this product as part of my skincare routine. I will not stop, and I will still give you my updates, you know, as time goes on, to see if my skin is even getting better. So far, I like my skin. I like how it's looking. It's got this healthy glow to it now. And now when I apply my makeup looks even more flawless. I'm gonna thank Lavie Labs again for sending me these products. So thank you very much guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and come be a part of my YouTube family. Bye guys.